Captain, a fantastic end to the tournament, 7 good matches. So just sum it up for us, mainly how it ended. A team that wins doesn't get the trophy, doesn't get which it deserves to get. So what was the feeling as a captain for you? This is one of your biggest tournaments after you became the captain. Not getting the trophy after winning 7 matches. What is your feeling, if you could sum it up?
I think this is one thing which I have never seen since I started playing cricket, since I started following cricket, that a champion team is denied to get a trophy. I mean, that to a hard-earned one. It's not like आसानी से हो गया सब, but it was an hard-earned tournament. We were here since 4th, played a game today, 2 back-to-back good games in 2 days. I feel we deserved it, and I can't say anything more. I think I've summed it up really well. And if you tell me about the trophies, my trophies are sitting in my dressing room. All the 14 guys with me, all the support staff. Those are the real trophies who I have been big fan of throughout this journey of Asia Cup since we came here and we played this tournament. We started our preparations. I think those are the real trophies, real moments, which I am taking back as lovely memories, which will stay with me forever going forward. And that's all.
पाकिस्तान को लगातार 3 मैच हराने के बाद ट्रॉफी नहीं मिली, फिर आगे क्वेश्चन है, इस जीत को लेके आप क्या कहेंगे? ट्रॉफी नहीं मिली, फिर भी ये जीत कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है?
जीत इम्पोर्टेंट है. अगर आपने देखा होगा मैच खत्म होने के बाद वो बड़ी स्क्रीन पे लिख के आया था, इंडिया एशिया कप 2025 चैम्पियंस. अब इससे अच्छा अब क्या ही देखना है. सब जगह जितने भी बोर्ड्स लगे हुए थे सब पे चैम्पियन लिखा हुआ है, 2025 एशिया कप, और आप खेलते हो उसी चीज़ के लिए हो. एंड आई एम श्योर एवरीवन अग्रीज कि देखो इसने तो हाँ भी बोल दिया है. तो आई थिंक इट वाज अ ग्रेट मोमेंट, ग्रेट जर्नी, ग्रेट कैंपेन फॉर अस एज अ टीम, एंड आई एम श्योर सपोर्ट स्टाफ विल ऑल्सो अग्री, एंड वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन.
Surya, hi, Abhishek, congratulations. Question to you,
इससे भी पूछ लो कोई.
Congratulatory messages are already pouring in for the team. The Prime Minister has also tweeted, and I'm going to read his tweet. He says, Operation Sindoor on the games field, outcome is the same, India wins. Congrats to our cricketers. How do you respond to this? And just, if Abhishek can also sum it up, the, playing in this tournament and playing so well, back-to-back 50s for you, just your experience and your answer to this.
I think abhi tak I have not followed social media properly. After the game, we were busy on the ground only. We were waiting for more than an hour and a half to have our celebrations. But then that's completely fine. I'm sure whole country will be happy and enjoying and having smile on their faces. And that's what we play for. Give them smile and inspiration to many. And I'm sure he also must have something to say on that, as the question has been split. You want to say something?
Sure. I think obviously we had a plan to win this tournament, and last में आके we didn't get the trophy, but still we won the tournament. That was our plan. ट्रॉफी उठाने का तो obviously सबका होता है, but we actually got a trophy जो सूर्य भाई लेके आए थे. We felt it, and कोई बात नहीं, जीत गए, that's enough.
मेरे हाथ में दिख गई थी ना.
हाँ बाजी, वेट भी हमें पता था कितना है, तो हाँ जी, तो हम सब टीममेट्स ने वी फेल्ट इट, बिकॉज विनिंग द टूर्नामेंट इज़ मोर देन दैट. तो ऑब्वियसली जो हमारे चेहरे पे स्माइल्स है और जो ड्रेसिंग रूम में जो माहौल है, दैट ओनली कम्स आफ्टर विनिंग द टूर्नामेंट. तो दैट्स व्हाट मैटर्स. सो दैट्स इट.
Surya, it's been a difficult campaign with so many off-field developments holding sway. As a captain, how much did it take out of you, and what did you have to do to sort of keep yourself in the moment as far as cricket is concerned?
I feel it was not that difficult. Boys took it in their stride. They were really happy with the way the campaign was going. Since day one, I've been telling them only one thing: let's just focus on cricket on the ground. And when we go to the practice sessions, let's enjoy what we are doing, do the same things what we want to do in the game. I think boys took it in a positive way, and whenever we came for every game, we were very, very focused.